Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Canva Dream Lab. Let's get started. First, open Canva and go to the AI Tools section, then select Dream Lab. Here you can type a prompt describing what kind of image or design you want. Be clear and specific with your prompt for better results. After that, click Generate and Canva will create designs based on your input. You can edit, customize, or directly use them in your project. And that's it. Now you can create AI designs easily using Dream Lab. For example, if you want to create an Instagram post using this image, simply click on Create an Instagram Post. Once you click it, the AI will start analyzing your image and understanding its content, colors, and layout. Within just a few seconds, Canva will automatically generate a complete Instagram post for you, including design elements and formatting. You can then customize it further by editing the text, colors, or layout to match your style. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.